Benefits of growing begonias in your home. Cherry blossom decorative appeal. Begonias offer vibrant blooms and unique foliage that enhance the beauty of your living space, whether placed on windowsills, balconies, or in garden beds. Natural air cleanser. Like many houseplants, begonias contribute to a healthier indoor environment by helping to purify the air. Easy to maintain. Begonias are a great choice for busy or beginner gardeners requiring minimal effort once they're properly established. Seedling traditional healing properties. Some begonia varieties have been used in traditional medicine, particularly in Asian cultures, for their potential anti-inflammatory and antibacterial benefits. Always consult a healthcare professional before any medicinal use. Honeybee supports pollinators. Their blossoms attract bees, butterflies, and other pollinators, promoting a healthy and biodiverse ecosystem around your home.